Hi kids! Guess what? Shop Miss A! Yep, my mom made an order, so obviously I had to throw in a few things as well. So, first of all, let's start with the AOA Papa Edition Wonder Blender. Super soft. It's $1.55. 55 cents of that, I guess, goes to... because everything on there is $1, except for these special edition ones. And I assume that's because, like, the 55 cents goes to animal charities. The Papa edition goes to animal charities. And then this one right here, this is the A+ edition Wonder Blender. Mochi soft. It doesn't appear to be as soft. This is $1.88. 88 cents, I assume, goes to, like, it's like schools and education or programs. I don't know. Anyways, you can look on their site, which I will link their site down below, and you can find out all the details of that. So, I bought this for $1.88. This one is the Teardrop, and this one is more of a teardrop with a beveled side. We'll see. These are not my favorite in the entire world. They feel like that in the center of them, they still have water when you're using them. But the application is really good. I can use the product just fine. For $1.55, you can't get better. I figured I would try the $1.88 one, see what that's all about. I've been trying all of their sponges that they have on there because they're so cheap. Why not? And so far, I think the beveled Papa edition one seems to be my favorite. I got another teardrop one. Teardrop seems to be my favorite for other sponges, but the beveled one, I don't know. Whatever. It's just a shape thing. So I got these two, and we'll try those out. And then I got masks. Tons. Oh, I got a concealer. Forgot about this. I got the AOA Wonder Cover HD Concealer. This was $1. This is in Classic Ivory. It looks pretty dark. I haven't opened it yet. We'll see how it turns out. But yeah, it looks pretty dark. So, then we have all of these masks for $1 each. So first of all, we have the Dermactin-TS 2-step Hydro Gel Mask with concentrated serum. I don't know. We'll see. I have this light set up over here, and I'm really afraid it's gonna... It doesn't seem to be real secure. Okay, next we have this is called the Naisture Everyday Veggie Slice Mask. This is the carrot one, the pumpkin one, and the tomato one. Next we have the Esfolio Volcanic Ash Essence Mask Sheet. Never have I tried volcanic ash on my face, so we'll try that. Next, there was the Cala Pure Radiance Honey Facial Mask Sheet. If I had known this was Cala, I would not have ordered it. I have not had good luck with their products. Next, there was a Rich Radiance Skincare Coca and Shea Butter Treatment Mask. I don't know. We'll try it out. And then there was the Dado Eco Life Style Hyaluronic Acid. And then there was the multivitamin one. And that is my Shop Miss A haul. I'm still messing with these lights, so I don't know. Okay, so this haul was a total of $13.43. Now, I am on a bob series, in a bob series. I have goals. My goal is to use more than I spend, and I'm about to achieve that goal. So, I spent $13.43. Now, my previous total was that I had spent $6.28 more than I have used. You've got to see my empties video. I'll put my empties playlist up here. I'm killing it. In my opinion, I'm killing it. Maybe compared to others, I'm not killing it. But for me, I'm killing it. Okay, and then my year-to-date is that I have spent $19.71 more than I have used. I'm doing so good. I'm super proud of myself. I'm doing great. So, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!